Hi, it's Gordon here at Avolites, and I'm going to take you through what the 3 app buttons do next to your encoder wheels. These app buttons are useful for tweaking programming, adjusting programming, and checking your fixtures are working nicely. They are next to each encoder wheel on all of the consoles themselves, right from the Titan 1 up to the Sapphire. Next to each encoder wheel, you have a app button just underneath it. I'm going to build myself up a look here, chuck a position in, chuck a colour in. And okay, you can see here I've got lots of information that's inside my programmer. Rather than clearing out my entire colour attribute, I just want to clear out this yellow information. Using the app buttons, I can do this. You can see my yellow information is on my encoder wheel C there. So if I tap the app button next to that and have a look at my soft keys, I can choose what I'd like that value to do. If I say at and then choose soft key B of clear, then it's just going to clear that one channel out of the programmer. Say I'd now like just that channel inside the programmer, I could tap that app button and choose touch. Now at touch is just going to put that value exactly where it is, but into the programmer. Say this gobo rotation value I want into the programmer. I can say at and then go up to soft key B of touch. This is great for amending looks, and it's great for dealing with other things. You can see at the moment I don't have any shutter instructions in the programmer. At touch is going to put that in. You can also locate individual values using these app buttons. Say I don't like that cyan value, I could tap my encoder wheel A button and type at locate. You can also put release commands into the programmer just for this channel. You can put off and on instructions just for this channel as well. Say I'm working on a show and someone said don't turn those spots off for a couple of minutes. I can either hope that I don't touch the desk, or I could use my dimmer attribute and I could say at freeze. Now I still have control over all of those channels that those spots have, but that dimmer channel is going to be frozen. Getting used to these can speed up your programming time and can make your life a little bit easier when it comes to amending programming or changing looks. You can see here I've cleared my programmer, I've exited out of everything, I have no playbacks firing, but still that dimmer channel is at 100%. I can now carry on working with them, and I know they're not going to go off. As soon as I'm ready to unfreeze that, I can tap my at button on my first encoder wheel and say unfreeze. These are on every single one of the consoles. So if you find yourself on a console and you just want to chop and change some programming, remember these app buttons right next to your encoder wheels could come in handy. Thanks for watching and tune in to the next one.